Hello. Are you ready? Okay, high five. So, high five. High five. Yes, very good. What is your name? My name is Su'a. Su'a, oh, come here, come here. No, 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 no. Oh, are you? What is this? Say pants. Okay, how are you today? I'm happy. Okay, what are these? Pants. Socks. Very good. Shirt. Sweat. Sweater. Jacket. Pants. Okay, now teacher Nick is looking for the socks. Are these the socks? No. Are these the socks? Yes. Okay, next. Where is the sweater? Is this the sweater? No. Are this the sweater? Is this the sweater? Yes. Okay, let's proceed to the next part. My dear. What is this? It's a bird. Very good. That was one. It's a no. So sit down. Candy, candy, candy. Oh, 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 oh. What is this? It's a tree. It's a feather. Feather. It's a nest. Nest. It's an egg. Okay. Where is the bird? Where's the bird? Bird. Here, bird. How about the tree? Tree. This is the tree. So, okay, and that's the end of our test. Goodbye. High five, high five, high five. Bye bye.